guys. Okay, so I am here with a show and tell of 3 new kits that are currently available over in my Etsy shop. I had so much fun making these. Yeah, I've gone a bit monochrome this time. Just playing, and I don't know, I was just in one of those moods. But yeah, they are fairly big kits. This first kit is 10 pages. I believe the second kit is only 7, and the third one is also 10 as well. And the third one is a bit out of my comfort zone. But anyway, so yeah, I've gone, like I said, monochrome with this one, and we have a floral theme. I love this one, it kind of reminds me of wallpaper. But yeah, so we have a monochrome floral kit 1, is this one. And there we go, I'll just get right into it, guys. Today is the 25th of May, and as you are watching this video, the Etsy shop currently has a 50% discount sale running. There's no coupons or anything needed, no codes or nothing. Everything is automatically discounted, as you will see when you go to the store. How long it will run for, I don't know. I'm going to leave it running for a while, actually. We'll just see. But yeah, so there we go. I'm all fingers and thumbs. Well, do you know, it makes me laugh when people say that. I don't know why. It's just an automatic saying sometimes. I'm all fingers and thumbs today. Well, we are all fingers and thumbs, aren't we, really? But yeah, I'm all thumbs. But yeah, so I love this kit. I just figured it would be really good for collage or just literally folding in half. And for once, I am actually going to do a project with my own kit, hence why I designed it, well, hence why I did it. Yeah, so I love it. I love this tray as well. I got this tray from Asda, along with a few others. Same pattern but different sizes. It's awesome because it gives me a perfect backdrop for doing this on, and it ties in with my desk and everything in this room. So yeah, that is kit 1. Like I said, I believe I named it Monochrome Floral Kit 1. But yeah, so that is kit 1. Kit 2 is here, but I did turn it over and then I didn't get it mixed in with kit 1 because it is very similar. Different but very similar, but also could work together perfectly. Yeah, so this is Monochrome Floral Kit 2. I just love it. I believe, like I said, there's only 7 pages in this one. 1 second. Let's get this next kit 3 turned over, and then I don't get them mixed up. I will not get them mixed up, but anyway. Yeah, so here we are with kit 2, and I have used one of my background pages as the background, and then the floral image on the top. So all these little marks and stuff that you see in the background is part of the print, because it's part of my background kit page. I had fun with that background kit. But yeah, so here we go. Again, like I said, florals, quite a few leaves in this one, but ties in great as a standalone kit, but also ties in brilliantly with the first one. So there we go. I've stopped counting, but I do believe there are 7 pages in this kit. There's definitely not as many as the first. Yep, so that's kit 1 and 2. And these have been printed onto normal 80 GSM printer paper, so they are quite toned down and muted tones. You will probably get a different look of them if you print on matte photo paper or heavyweight cardstock, that sort of thing. But I didn't. So yeah, and this is kit 3. Now some people might want to look away at this one because this is all about the bugs. Yeah, so this is Bugs Kit 1. I just fancied doing something completely different. Still monochrome, But I just fancied doing something completely different, and I'm not gonna lie, I am shuddering. My whole body is like, eesh, at the thought of touching them. Even though they're on a piece of paper. Again, I used the same background page and put the bugs on. Yeah. But I actually quite like this one. There's 10 pages in this kit. But yeah, so it is not perfect, I will say that, because I just kind of zoomed in and out on some of the bugs. So some of them, they're not perfectly lined up for folding in half, and some of them can be a little bit blurred or fuzzy. Not blurry, but fuzzy up close. But you know, again, I figured they'd be okay for bits and pieces of collage. You could maybe fussy cut them out. Honestly. Yeah, so we have this page as well. I quite like this one actually. No spiders on this one, that's why. I quite like this one. So we've got that one, and then this one, and then this one more to go, and then that's the last one. So there you go. So that is all 3 kits, and they are, as I said, available right now for purchase over in the Etsy shop. Links to all 3 kits will be below, and as I said, the Etsy shop is also currently having a 50% discount sale where no coupons or anything are needed. It's all just there, already discounted, no minimum purchase or anything. But yeah, so, and that will be ongoing for a while. But yeah, so those are the kits, and then I have a couple of freebies, because you guys know that when I do kits I tend to like to do a few freebies here and there. But I am starting a new freebies kit, new freebies file for 2021. I still have 2020s. I still have the freebies file for 2020, but I'm going to start a different one for 2021. And these are going to be there. So the link to the freebie file for this year will also be below. You can access that by clicking on it. It will take you to my Google Drive account, and you can download them from there. Again, with the monochrome. Let me just take those out, then I don't get them mixed in with them. So you have this one with the flower and some butterflies. And then you have a tree and some butterflies, and these have been lined up so that when you fold in half they are perfect on the pages. This was going to be the start of a new kit, and then I changed my mind. I just kind of didn't like the way it was going, so I just thought, stuff it, I'll add them in as freebies. So we've got some leaves and stuff down here, ferns I think they are, and then some birds across the top. I actually quite like this page. I know they are like leaves and stuff, but they remind me of little trees. But yeah, so again, perfect for a bit of collage. And then just, this is the last one, 3 little butterflies at the top and a little flower there. This flower's actually got a bit of text in it, which you can't really see, but it does have a bit of text in it. Well, I say flower, it's more like a branch, a twig, whatever. But yeah, so you've got, is it 4? 1, 2, yeah, 3, 4. You've got 4 freebies there that you can access right now below in the description box by clicking on the link, and there are a few different freebies within that file as well from previous kits. Yeah, so you won't just get these 4, you'll get, I can't remember how many's in there, but there's not many, because like I said, I've started a new file for 2021 and I haven't really done many kits, but there will be a few extra freebies in there for you guys too, so please click that link and go and access them now for free. But also within that file are the T's and C's, the terms and conditions for these still apply the same as they do for the normal ones. So yeah, there you go guys. Anyway, so I had fun, and I am going to be doing some more kits soon, because I have been so lazy recently and not done any. I've just not had the mojo for it really. But yeah, so I'm going to have a bit of time on my hands coming up soon because I'm taking a break for well, I say a few months, it's only through July and August for the 6-week holidays. But yeah, so I need to do something, so I will focus more on the kits. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you to everybody who does support my Etsy shop, and yep, thank you to my fabulous design team. I'm not going to name names because, you know who you guys are, and a lot of you other people know who they are as well, but I'm not naming names because there's no pressure on my design team at all. But thank you guys so much, and yeah, so I will love you and leave you guys, and I will speak to you all again soon. Thank you for watching. Take care.